brochure, one-off. And this means that we're at our 20 baht. No, this is our first page. Yes, this is the T-Tung Bridge, actually here. And this is where, during the car chase, Bond comes around the corner and drives actually on the other side of the water.
Right.
And you can actually see him. I didn't make a screenshot of that, but I know Rob brought a lot of screenshots. Now you can see him pass where the tuk-tuk is right now. You can see him drive through the, what is it? The canal, past the canal.
Past the canal.
Past the canal.
Okay. All right. One question for you. Behind us is the Susavarorov, okay? And it is a very, very famous place here in Bangkok. What percentage of tourists do you think come here to only see the traffic circle in front of this very famous place? Okay. Us. I turn it over to Mark.
All right, I'll stand on this side. It makes it easier. Now, during the car chase, the giant swing can be seen passed by the cars, but you just only see the lower part, the bottom of it. But you can clearly see this temple behind us. And Scaramanga in his car, and later Bond in his car, they go around and they drive into that direction.
It's like right here, technically.
Third location. Oh, okay. And you can see these two buildings, and that's those buildings in the back.
Are you sure it's not close?
No, it's deep. Because they look the same. Yeah, but it's the. Yeah, sorry, wrong film, no. But, talking about wrong films, they did film a scene here for Tomorrow Never Dies. And I was supposed to skip all the Tomorrow Never Dies things, but we kind of passed this, and it is sort of interesting. But there is this scene, and you would never recognize it, I think. But from the production notes, we figured out that this street, this alley, was dubbed Shower Alley. This was the alley where Wei Lin and Bond had the shower. And I do have a screenshot of it, but it's not very recognizable. Actually, not at all figure out where this is. It's definitely not into that direction.
So we were actually curious. So if you shoot it from this way down this building here, like there, shooting like towards where was the shower?
Because that building is new. When they filmed the movie, I guess that's a new building.
This street, and this is another Tomorrow Never Dies location. This was actually Wei Lin's headquarters. And it's not, I think it's actually this building here.
Wayland's Acres. Yeah, it's the corner place right here. Well, let's pull up Tomorrow Never Dies and take a look on the film. Why don't we do that?
This morning, most of